I'm Charles Helgeson with MarineMax. Today we're on my newest listing. It's a 2023 Horizon Fd80. She has 4 staterooms, one of which is on deck, which is unusual for a boat that's 80 feet in length. There's 3 down. We'll take you down and show you all the details down there. But here in the galley, you can see this platform takes full advantage of the 22.5-foot beam. Just got done, parked the boat here. Wanted to take an opportunity to walk you through all the various spaces on board, and we'll do that now.
This yacht was designed around one thing above all else: space. Horizon's Fast Displacement series has become one of the most successful modern motor yacht platforms on the water, and this Fd80 shows you exactly why. At just over 80 feet long and more than 22 feet of beam, the interior volume feels much closer to a 90-footer. Wide walkways, oversized windows, and an open, flowing layout create a yacht that feels bright, comfortable, and genuinely livable from the moment you arrive. The beach club is accessed via the hydraulic overhead door, and inside there is enough room for lounging in the shade or making drinks at the bar. The galley area in the beach club doubles as a crew mess, since it connects directly to the large crew quarter, which houses 4 crew in 2 rooms. In the main salon, floor-to-ceiling windows provide amazing views, while the finishes keep everything warm and inviting rather than overly formal. Large sofa aft, a nicely integrated dining area forward and to starboard against the window, with sight lines that make the entire level feel open and connected. The TV is hidden in a panel that retracts from the ceiling. It can be stowed when not in use to preserve the views. The salon has a dayhead in the port corner and access to crew in the starboard corner. One of the defining features of the Fd80 is the country kitchen layout forward. Horizon understood how owners actually use these yachts. The galley becomes part of the social experience instead of being hidden away. Whether you're cruising with family, hosting guests, or running with crew, this setup just works nicely. And the country kitchen does not come at the expense of the on-deck master. Oftentimes, it's one or the other. The full-beam master stateroom is impressive for a yacht in this size range, with large hull-side windows making this room a special place to wake up in the morning and separate from the guest areas of the boat on the lower deck. The lower deck accommodations continue the same theme of volume and comfort. The forward berth on the lower deck is considered the VIP since it is full beam. The other 2 guest staterooms each have their own ensuite head and a suitable amount of storage. As impressive as the interior is, the exterior deck spaces may be the real highlight of the Fd80 platform. The Sky Lounge and boat deck create an entirely separate entertaining area. One of the standout features of the Fd80 is the expansive sky bridge. Functioning as a second salon, this space dramatically increases the yacht's entertaining capabilities with generous seating, open-air dining, and panoramic views. Whether you're cruising underway or enjoying a sunset at anchor, the elevated position provides an incredible vantage point and a relaxed atmosphere for guests. Aft, the boat deck offers ample space for tender storage while still maintaining room for additional lounging, creating a versatile outdoor area that feels more like a private rooftop terrace than a traditional bridge deck. While the foredeck offers another incredible social space with panoramic views underway or at anchor.
The more time that I've spent looking around the boat today, it's a really confident feeling as a broker to step into a situation where there's been a competent crew on board. And there's not a single detail that's been overlooked from a maintenance standpoint. Everything's really reassuring when you come over and go in the engine room and open hatches and look in the refrigerator. Everything's perfectly organized on this boat, and I think it's a really confident situation for a new owner to step into. My favorite thing about this boat is that the beam is insane, and the volume for 80 feet is unmatched in the marketplace. Another important detail is this boat came into the United States and was imported pre-tariff. So it's an amazing opportunity to jump into a boat like this with a US flag hanging on the back. Feel free to call me with any questions. There's a lot of detail on this boat, and if we didn't cover something in the video, I'd be happy to talk with you.